Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on interest. The question says, a person deposited a portion of rupees 5600 at 5% interest and the remaining at 6% interest per annum in two different banks. After 1 year, the difference in interest received on the two amounts is rupees 60. The amount invested in each proportion are respectively. So the question is talking about investment made in two different banks, whereas the total amount which was invested is still a constant value, that is rupees 5600. So this amount was invested in two different banks. In one of the bank, the rate of interest was 5% per annum, and in the other bank it was 6% per annum. So let us assume that the amount invested in bank A, where the interest was 5%, was A rupees. Therefore, definitely the amount invested in bank B becomes 5600 minus A. And it is also given that the difference between the interest received from both the banks is equal to rupees 60. So the amount invested in each proportion are respectively. So let us figure out, if there is 5% interest on amount A, I can write it as 5% of A. Similarly, if there is 6% on the remaining amount, I can write it as 6% on 5600 minus A. The difference between these two values should be equal to rupees 60. So if I try and solve this equation, we will be getting 5 of A minus 6 times of 5600. This becomes 33600 plus 6 times of A is equal to, this 100 goes to the right hand side and becomes 6000. When we add the variables, it becomes 11A. If this value go to the right hand side, this becomes 33600 plus 6000. Therefore A is equal to 39600 divided by 11, and when we cancel this off, it becomes 11 threes are 33, 66, 11 sixes are 66, and 3600 is what your A becomes. If your A is 3600, the remaining amount becomes 5600 minus 3600, which is equal to 2000. And hence we can say that the amount invested was 3600 in one bank and 2000 in the other bank, which is your option number 2. Now two things which we can do here is, first thing, that we can solve the same question using the options as well. Again, it depends upon the calculation speed that you possess. If your calculation speed is good, you can actually solve the same question using the options as well. For example, if I look at the first option, it gives me 3000 rupees and 2600 rupees. Now 3000 rupees at 5% is going to give me 150 rupees. And similarly, 2600 rupees with 6% is going to give me more than 150 rupees. So therefore the difference which I may get cannot be rupees 60 in this case. Whereas when we talk about the second option, which we have already seen, which is our answer, but let us quickly cross verify. If I say 3600 and 5% on it gives me 180 rupees. and then I say 6% on 2000 rupees, that is 120 rupees. So therefore the difference, as we can see, is rupees 60. So by going with the options also we can get answer, which is option number 2. I hope both the things, the method and using the options, is clear to everyone. Depending upon your flexibility and depending upon your speed of calculation, you can adopt the method. Thank you.